Welcome to Section 1 of our Facebook Marketing 3.0 video training, Facebook Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what Facebook is all about nowadays. What business goals can you accomplish with Facebook? There's a Facebook business tool for every business goal, and shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What Facebook is all about nowadays. Everybody knows what Facebook is. Even people that do not use it know what it is. This is because Facebook has transformed from a niche social site for college students to the largest and most widely used social media platform in the world. Yet, in spite of its social media tag, Facebook has become a platform that appeals both to regular people and to businesses because it has something in store for everybody. Let's find out what it is that makes it so valuable to the online world. Facebook for social. Facebook is primarily a social media network designed specifically for social interaction. What differentiates Facebook from other social networks and what has made it so special is the plethora of easy-to-use features that allows people from all around the world to find and interact with like-minded people, even when they are separated by regional and cultural barriers. Facebook allows people to create online profiles complete with personal photos and pictures to showcase socially centered occurrences, where people can list their interests and preferences as well as post their contact information so others can get in touch with them. The site's popularity, combined with all these features, has made it the perfect platform to locate long-lost friendships and to meet new friends. Facebook is also a great venue for entertainment for people from all walks of life because they can use the platform to play games, to live chat with Facebook friends, and to share video content. Some of the most popular social features offered by the Facebook platform include photo albums that can be shared with friends and with other people, comments on other people's profiles, and Facebook groups, which are often used by families and groups of friends as hubs to share content privately. Facebook for business. Facebook is an attractive platform for businesses too, because it offers companies, organizations, and businesses of all types to reach an audience of almost 2 billion people in any given month, which is not only important for revenue, but also for building brand awareness. Facebook can easily help any type of business stand out big time, thanks to the high rates of user engagement with brands that have a presence on the platform. This because Facebook is a way more interactive platform than a business website would ever dream to be due to its very social nature. Businesses can have their own Facebook profiles by creating a Facebook page. Facebook pages are designed to allow businesses, companies, brands, organizations, artists, and other entities have a window to interact with users in the most popular social network there is. Businesses with Facebook pages can upload content to the platform the same way that any regular user would, with the added benefit of allowing businesses to promote and market their products and services with laser-sharp precision, thanks to its meticulously built advertising platform.